Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Here is another question. In this we have to find out the product. So to find out the product of the pairs of monomials, the first one, 4 and 7p. 4 into 7 is 24, 24p is the product of it. Second one, minus 4p into 7p. So just see, minus 4 and 7 will get multiplied and p will get multiplied. Minus 28 square of p. Third part, minus 4p into 7pq. So minus 4 into 7 into p into q. So 7 4s are 28, p into p will be p square into q. Right? In the fourth part, we are given 4p cube and minus 3p. So 4 and minus 3 will get multiplied, p cube and p will get multiplied. 4 3s are minus 12 and p cube into p is p to the power 4. Great. Now the last part, fifth part, 4p into 0. 0 multiplied with anything is 0 itself. So this is how we have done the multiplication of two monomials. Clear? Let's move ahead. It is asking find the areas of rectangle with the following pairs of monomial as their length and breadth. So this is length, this is breadth, length and breadth, length and breadth, length and breadth, length and breadth. So like this we are given pairs of length and breadth, we have to find the area. So for this, what will be the area if you tell? Length into breadth, p into q, that will form pq. In the second one, what will be the area here? 10m into 5n. So 10 into 5 into m into n. 10 into 5 is 50 students, mn. This will be the area. What will be the area for this one? Area will be 20x square into 5y square. So 20 into 5 and x square into y square. 20 into 5 is 100, x square, y square. This will be the area. What about this one? Area for this one will be length into breadth. So 4 into 3 is 12, x into x square will become x cube, right? The last one, 3 into 4 into mn into np. So 3 into 4 is 12, n into n is n square and p. So this is the area. What we have to do, we just have to multiply both the monomials to get the area, because both the monomials represent length and breadth. For area, we multiply that. So this is how you are going to calculate. You need to take care that if the same variable are there, you have to add up the powers. Right? Let's move ahead. Here is a table given, and this is the first monomial. This arrow shows that these are the first monomial and these are the second monomial. We have to multiply them and write the answer. Like they have written for one, 2x into 2x. It is 4x square. 2 into 2 will become 4, x into x will become x square. Now we have to multiply 2x with minus 5y. So let us multiply the coefficients first. 2 and minus 5 will be minus 10 and x and y will give us xy. Now 2x multiplied with 3x square. 2 and 3 is 6, x and x square is x cube. Right? The next one, 2x and minus 4xy. 2x and minus 4xy. So first of all you multiply 2 with minus 4, that gives us minus 8. X and x will give you x square and y will remain same. Again 2 will multiplied with 7, 14. X multiplied with x square is x cube and y. Then 2 multiplied with minus 9 is minus 18. X into x square is x cube and y square. Clear? So like this you have to fill the table, multiply them all together. Clear? Okay. Minus 5y. Now we will do the multiplication of minus 5 with all the first monomial. So minus 5y and 2x. So 2 multiplied with minus 5 will give us minus 10 xy. Now minus 5y multiplied with minus 5. Minus 5 and minus 5 is 25 and y into y is y square. Then 3 into minus 5 is minus 15, x square and y we had in this. Clear? Now minus 4 into minus 5 is plus 20 and x will remain x, y into y will become y square, then 7x square y, 7 and minus 5, minus 35 x square as it is, and y into y becomes y square. Then minus 9 and minus 5, it is 45 x square as it is, and y square gets combined with y, makes it y cube. Clear? Let's do the third one. Okay, 3 and 2 makes 6, x square into x becomes x cube. Then minus 5 into 3 is minus 15, y and x square, so x square y. Then 3 into 3 is 9, x square into x square, what it will be? X to the power 4. Then minus 4 into 3 is minus 12, x into x square is x cube, and y. 7 and 3 multiplied get 21, x square and x square is x to the power 4, and y as it is. Now minus 9 and 3, 3 nines are 27, minus 27, x square into x square is x to the power 4, and y square will not get combined with anything, it will be y square. The next one is minus 4xy. So 2 into minus 4 is minus 8, x into x will make x square and y. Clear? So minus 5 into minus 4 is plus 20. Y and y will make y square, and we have x also in it. So 3 multiplied with minus 4 is minus 12. Okay, 3 fours are 12. X square into x becomes x cube and y. The next one is minus 4xy. Minus 4xy, minus 4xy, minus 4 and minus 4 is 16. X into x is x square, y into y is y square. 7x square y. So 7 into minus 4 is minus 28. X square and x square will become x to the power 4, and y will make, okay, wait a second. So we have, just a second. Okay, let's do it again. So we had 7x square y and minus 4xy we are doing. So 7 fours are 28, minus 28. X into x square is x cube, and y into y is y square. The last one, minus 9 into minus 4 is plus 36. X square into x is x cube, and y square into y is y cube. Right, let's do the last two parts also. 7x square y and 2x. 2 into 7 is 14, and x into x, just to see, x into x square is x cube and y. Now multiply minus 5y with 7x square y. So minus 5 and 7 is minus 35. Now in this we have y, in this we have y, so it will be y square, and we have x square in it, so x square will also come. Then 3 and 7, it is 21, and x square into x square is x to the power 4, and y. Now minus 4xy. So minus 4 into 7 is minus 28, and here it is x, here it is x square, x cube, and y into y will become y square. Then 7x square y and 7x, 7 into 7 is 49, x square into x square is x to the power 4, and y into y is y square. Then minus 9 into 7, 7 nines are 63, minus 63, x square into x square is x to the power 4, y square into y is y to the power 3. The last part, multiply minus 9 and 2, minus 18, x into x square is x cube and y square. Minus 5 into minus 9 is 45. Y and y square is y to the power 3, and we have x square also. 3 multiplied with minus 9. 3 nines are 27, minus 27. X square into x square is x to the power 4 and y square. The next is minus 4 and minus 9. It is 36. And x into x square is x cube. Y into y square is y cube. 7 into 9 is minus 63. And x square into x square becomes x to the power 4, and y into y square becomes y to the power 3. Next is minus 9x square y square minus 9x square y square. Minus 9 is 81. X square into x square is x to the power 4 and y square into y square is y to the power 4. Clear? So like this we have filled the complete table. We had to multiply the first polynomial with the second polynomial. Right? Let's move ahead. Here we have to obtain the volume of rectangular boxes with the length, breadth and height given to us. So in the first one, what is the volume? You know it is length into breadth into height. The length is 5a. The breadth is 3a square and the height is 7a to the power 4. You will multiply 5, 3 and 7 and you will multiply a square and a to the power 4. So 5 threes are just to see, or you can just multiply 7 threes are 21. 21 into 5 is 105. So 105 a into a square into a. So what will be the total power of a? 4 and 2 6 and 1 7. This will be the volume for the first rectangular box. In the second part, for finding out the volume, we'll multiply 2p, that is length, 4q, that is breadth, and 8r, that is the height. So 2 into 4 into 8, coefficients multiplied together, and p into q into r. 2 4s are 8, 8 8s are 64, p, q, r. Right, so we have done two parts, calculated the volume. Now let us do the third part. xy, so for the volume, xy is the length given, the breadth is 2x square y and the height is 2xy square. So we have no coefficients here, that is 1. So multiply 2 with 2 into xy into x square y into xy square. So 2 into 2 is 4. X square and x, how much times x we have? 4 times. So x to the power 4 and y into y square. So 1 and 1 2 and 2 4. So y to the power 4. You know whenever same bases are there in multiplication we add the powers. Now the last part, that is fourth part, volume will be a into 2b into 3c. So 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 a, b, c we were going to get. Right? So what we have done, we have calculated the volumes when we were given length. So what we have done, we have calculated volume when we are given length, breadth and height of the rectangular boxes. Let's move ahead. Here is one more question. We have to obtain the product of xy, yz and zx. So just see carefully. xy, yz and zx. So x, collect all the x together, all the y's together and all the z together. X and x will form x square, y and y forms y square and z forms z square. The second part, a minus a square and a cube, we have to obtain the product a minus a square and a cube. So minus will come definitely, and a to the power 1, a to the power 2 and a to the power 3. So we are going to add them. 3 plus 2 is 5 and 1 6, a to the power 6. Third one, we have this, we have to multiply these. 2 into 4y into 8y square into 16y cube. Write the coefficients together. 2 into 4 into 8 into 16 and write the terms having y, y square and y cube. So just see 2 into 4 is 8, 8 into 8 is 64, then you multiply 64 with 16. Okay, so 16 fours are, or let us multiply it simply, 6 fours are 24, carry is 2, 6 6 are 36 and 2 38, and we have 64 ones are 64, 4 8 and 4 is 12, 6 and 3 9 and 1 0. So 1 0 2 4, y to the power 1 2 and 3. So 3 plus 2 plus 1, that gives us y to the power 6. Right, so this is how we get the product of it. I hope the multiplication of monomial is clear to you. Okay, let us move to the next parts. In the fourth part, we are given A into 2B into 3C into 6ABC. So let us multiply the numerical parts together. So here we have 1, no need to write that. 2 into 3 into 6. Then we have A, then we have B, then we have C, and then we have A, B, C. So 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 6 is 36. A into A forms A square, B into B forms B square, and C into C forms C square. Right? In the fifth part, we have M into minus Mn into MnP. So, how many m's do we have? Definitely minus will come in front. M into M is M square into M. M is multiplied 3 times. N is multiplied 2 times. And P is just multiplied once. Is that clear?